So now let's see how we can work around with desaturate effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with desaturate effect, first of all, you need to go around onto the image menu, then onto adjustment right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that desaturate is an option. And what it simply does is it turns the colorful image into grayscale or black and white image right here, just like this. And that's it. Let me just press Ctrl Z to get back the color right here, and then I'm going to go around onto image, onto adjustment, and over here I'm going to now select match color. So once you go around onto match color, I can change around the luminance right here, as you can see right here, to change around the luminance of the overall color. You can change around the color intensity right here to change around the color or turn it grayscale like this as well. So just like this, you can go around, change around the color intensity and change around the fade right here to fade out the overall image right here to make it darker right here, just like this as well. So you can change it around how you want. You can also neutralize everything right here, just like this, and it goes more onto the yellow side. And you can also go around and choose the source of the image right here, just like this, and match the color. So now if I were to go around and open up another image right here, so let's just go around and go to open right here, just like this, and let's just go around over here onto my drive right here and select out, let's say for example, another image. So let's just go around onto the image folder itself and then select out, let's say for example, this image right here, and I want to match this image to this image right here. In that case, I can go around onto adjustment, match color, and choose the source as bench layer right here, and it changes the color out accordingly, as you can see right here. So you can change around the luminance right here. You can fade it out right here so that this color matches onto this particular image right here. Same goes the other way around as well. So I can go around over here onto match color, and then I can select out, let's say for example, the winter right here, and it uses that colors right here to fade it out, right? Let's say for example, change around the luminance, the color intensity right here, and match out the color with that particular picture and get the same vibe right here, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can desaturate and match color inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.